Hello there. I have got a mango. So, do you like mango? Spring season is going on, so here and there we will get many mangoes, and I love to eat mango all the time. So when I was coming this place, the time I have got a mango, and that time I thought I can make a video about the mango because I love to learn and speak English practically, and that's why whenever I get something, and that time I try to practice my speak English with them. Then I got mango, and then I have made some sentences by the mango. How did I make sentences by the mango? For example, I thought at that time, when I will eat the mango, কখন আমি ম্যাঙ্গো মানে আমটি খাবো, and আমি আম খেতে ভালোবাসি. I love to eat mango, sorry. Oh my god, it's my native language, that's why sometimes I say okay, so never mind, it will be okay. Okay, so that's the thing.